The NewJeans saga just took its most shocking turn yet. After months of legal battles, ADOR has officially terminated Danielle's contract, making her the only member permanently cut from the group. But this isn't just about one member leaving. ADOR is now threatening to sue her family, claiming they're partially responsible for the entire mess. Let me break down how one of K-pop's biggest success stories turned into an absolute legal nightmare. The breaking point. On December 29, 2025, ADOR dropped a bombshell statement. They announced they were severing ties with Danielle, citing that it would be difficult for her to continue as a NewJeans member and ADOR artist. But here's where it gets wild. While Danielle's out, the other members are slowly trickling back. Hanni has reportedly returned to ADOR, Haerin Hyein came back in November 2025, and the agency is still negotiating with Minji. So why is Danielle the only one being completely cut off? ADOR's statement suggests they believe Danielle's family played a significant role in escalating the conflict, alongside former CEO Min Hee-jin. The agency claims the members were fed continuous and twisted information that turned them against the company. How it all started. This drama didn't happen overnight. The conflict began in April 2024 when HYBE, ADOR's parent company, attempted to remove Min Hee-jin from her CEO position. Then in November 2024, all 5 NewJeans members, Minji, Hanni, Danielle, Haerin, and Hyein, held an emergency press conference announcing they were terminating their contracts with ADOR. Their reason? They claimed ADOR had no intention of protecting NewJeans, and continuing under them would only cause harm. But there was one major problem with their exit strategy. Legally, they were still bound to ADOR. On October 30, 2025, the Seoul Central District Court ruled that the exclusive contracts between all 5 members and ADOR were still valid until 2029. The court stated it was difficult to recognize that ADOR violated the important obligations that would justify contract termination. This was a massive blow to the group. Despite their claims, the court sided with ADOR, confirming the contracts signed in April 2022 were legally binding. The agency had even filed an injunction preventing the members from pursuing independent activities, and the court granted it. NewJeans immediately announced plans to appeal, arguing that the trust between them and ADOR had completely broken down. But by that point, the legal machine was already in motion. The family connection. Now here's the part that makes this especially messy. ADOR isn't just going after Danielle, they're targeting her family. The agency has explicitly stated they plan to hold legally accountable one member of Danielle's family for their alleged role in the dispute. ADOR hasn't publicly identified which family member they're targeting or what specific actions they're accusing them of, but the implication is clear. They believe someone close to Danielle influenced her decisions and contributed to the conflict. The agency is also pursuing legal action against Min Hee-jin, the former ADOR CEO who produced NewJeans' early hits. ADOR claims Min and Danielle's family member bear significant responsibility for causing this dispute and delaying the member's return to the agency. What happens next? As of now, Danielle is officially out. ADOR has reportedly filed a lawsuit seeking penalty fees and damages against her. Meanwhile, the rest of NewJeans faces an uncertain future. With 4 members potentially returning, but one permanently gone, can the group even continue as NewJeans? During their November 2024 press conference, Danielle herself said, "For the time being, we might not be able to use the name NewJeans, but we will not give up this name. NewJeans holds all the memories of the 5 of us." That statement now carries a haunting irony. The 5 of them may never perform together again under that name. This is one of the messiest contract disputes in K-pop history. A group that dominated charts and won millions of fans in just 3 years has been torn apart by legal battles, family drama, and corporate warfare. Whether the remaining 4 members can rebuild NewJeans or whether the name will fade into K-pop history remains to be seen. What we know for sure is this: the industry will be watching closely. Because if a group as successful as NewJeans can implode like this, no one is safe.